Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making something you can use on just about everything, homemade ketchup. Whether you're looking to cut out additives, reduce sugar, or just try something new, this recipe for you. Best part? You can make it with store-bought tomatoes, so no need to have a garden. Let's start by prepping our tomatoes. You need about 5 pounds, fresh or canned, whichever you prefer. We will peel them, chop them, and throw them in a large pot. Next, add some diced onion, garlic, and your spices, a pinch of salt, some paprika for a little kick, a dash of cinnamon to really bring out the flavor. We're going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes until it reduces down and thickens. The smell is going to fill your kitchen with pure comfort. Once it's nice and thick, we'll blend everything together until it's smooth. Look at that texture. That's homemade ketchup perfection. If you'd like to remove the seeds and any other chunky bits that don't get blended, you can also run this through a mesh strainer or a cheesecloth if you'd like. Now for the canning part. If you want your ketchup to be shelf stable, you'll need to can it properly. I'm using a water bath canning method. Easy and safe. Simply pour the ketchup into sterilized jars, leave a little headspace at the top, seal them up, and process them in boiling water for about 15 minutes. Once cooled, as long as your jars have sealed, they're ready to store for months. And there you have it. Delicious homemade ketchup you can enjoy fresh or store away for later. If you tried this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments. And don't forget, you don't need to grow your own tomatoes. Just grab some from the store and you're good to go. I'll see you next time.